Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today, Huawei Nova 7 Pro camera test. It is best camera phone in under 30,000. What do you think guys? First look the camera specs. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom, last one 2 megapixel depth sensor. Let's look the camera overview. Normally this camera takes shots on 60 megapixel. You want to change pro mode is 64 megapixel. Front facing 60 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide. This device main highlight at same time you take video on front facing and rear facing camera. Also quality is good. I like this feature also. Do you like guys? Comment now. First sample 64 megapixel. Quality is good, not bad. Second sample 8 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. It's also good, brightness, color quality is good. Let's look more main camera sample.
Have you heard the new song for More Plastic? Well, here goes.
啊，你知道吗？就是那首歌词，什么 My My Dream 那个，那是我一开始听的时候，我记得是妈妈吹的那首，你唱感觉很像妈妈吹。把这个放进去。
Okay, it's night mode. Once again I'm show you it's Nova 7 Pro. Let's look how is it work night mode on this Nova 7 Pro. Okay, just I'm switch the night mode. Okay, take one shot. Okay, it's good. It's processing time 4 seconds. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, let's I'm show you. Quality is good, is full darkness place. Okay, once again I'm take another night shot. Okay, just see guys. See guys, next building on balcony is, yeah, it's not bad. Fully darkness place without flash, only night mode. Quality is amazing. Yeah, it's not bad. Nova 7 Pro quality is good. Let's look some sample. It's also good, not bad. Night time. It's auto shot. It's also little bit yellowish, but it's not bad. Quality is
辣椒香菜这个要吗？就我妹妹说，我说你先说了。